Yeah, what do you think?
Tell me what's going on, my friend. 2012 Chrysler 300 SRT8. We have a diagnostic trouble code of P3449. Is that correct?
Yeah.
All right.
And so I opened it up. I took the intake off and I replaced cylinder number 7 solenoid.
Okay.
And put it back together, cleared the codes, drove it. When it got up to operating temperature, it started doing the same thing. So I put the code reader on it and it's coming up with the same code.
Well, here are the possible causes according to the manufacturer. MDS solenoid number 7, shorted to battery voltage. MDS solenoid 7 control, shorted to ground. MDS solenoid number 7 control open. Ground circuit open, MDS solenoid, which you've already replaced, or the powertrain control module. So if you replaced it, as long as the new part isn't bad, well then I would suspect either a wiring issue or a bad PCM. So as a technician, I would certainly go after a wiring issue first before pulling the trigger and replacing the PCM.
Do you know if the PCM's issue on that car?
For this particular code, no, it's not. Yeah, the PCM does go bad on this vehicle, for other reasons, but I wouldn't replace it at this point. You got some checking to do first. Let me just pull up a wiring diagram for you real quick. Hang on. Let's take a look. So on the wiring diagram, you got a brown wire with an orange stripe from the PCM to the MDS solenoid on cylinder number 7. And then there's a black wire for your ground. So I'm assuming you can check the black wire for a good ground, but I'm assuming it's probably going to be okay because the other ones are working. So as a technician, that would kind of rule out and leave either that one wire, the brown with orange stripe, between the MDS solenoid and the PCM or the PCM. So I would just trace that wire back, between the PCM and the MDS solenoid. You could start at the PCM and then work your way to the solenoid, or you could start at the solenoid and work your way back to the PCM.
All right. It gives me a little bit of direction, so.
All right, my friend. Well, good luck, and let us know if anything else comes up, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye-bye.